In this video, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about inscribed angles. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the value of arc RS? Okay, here's arc RS. And we could see a structure in here inside the circle, and we have the measures of these angles, okay? Angle T and angle S. So first step is to solve this, we will use the inscribed angle theorem, okay? So both angle S and angle T are inscribed angles, okay, because they're inside this circle. An inscribed angle is formed by two chords meeting on the circle, okay? So it's two chords that meet on the circle. An inscribed angle always intercepts an arc on the opposite side of the circle. Okay, so angle S intercepts arc NT right here. Okay, and then angle T intercepts arc RS. And we need to find arc at RS. Okay, so each angle opens to the arc across from it. So this one opens to NT, and then this one opens to RS. So we can use the inscribed angle theorem, which says the inscribed angle equals 1/2 of the intercepted arc. So that means we want to try to find RS, and we know that angle T intercepts it. So we know angle T equals 1/2 of arc RS, the intercepted arc. So we can rewrite this because we know what angle T is. We can just put that in. But let's just rewrite this so that we can get rid of the half here, multiply both sides by 2, and then we're left with arc RS equals 2 times angle T. So now we can put in angle T. Angle T equals 42 degrees here. So arc RS equals 2 times 42. So RS equals to 84 degrees. Arc RS equals 84 degrees. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand this. Anyone can do this. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In there, you'll find the link to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.